We just spent 3 nights at the Drury Plaza Hotel, Orlando at Disney Springs during our very first trip to Disney World. In this video, we're showing you our room, sharing our thoughts about the hotel, sharing what perks the hotel has, and if we would stay there again for our next trip to Disney World. All right, we have made it to our room. It's about 10 o'clock, so we are quite exhausted. But let's give y'all a quick room tour of the Drury Plaza at Disney Springs. So when you first walk in to the right, you have the bathroom. So here's the shower. Me. You have our fridge, safe, microwave, sink here, little seating area. So we have a double queen room. Here is another little seating area. And let's look outside here, check out this view. Oh, we got a balcony. This was a surprise. I did not know we were gonna get upgraded to a balcony room, but here we are. So let's check it out. All right, let's see. How do I open this? Oh, there we go. So here is the balcony. 2 chairs and a table. We are not facing the park. I know it's dark out here. Like I said, it's almost 10 o'clock. We are not facing the park, so no fireworks to be seen. Just the interstates. Here are a few perks at the Drury Plaza Hotel. So first up, a full breakfast in the morning. So when I say a full breakfast, that means waffles, sausage, oatmeal, eggs, bacon, you name it, it's there. And of course, they have the Mickey waffles. Another thing, they have brewed coffee all day. Now, if you're a coffee drinker, you can get coffee at any part of the day. A big deciding factor for us too with this perk is that you do get early entry at this hotel since it is a Disney partner, a Good Neighbor hotel. So you're able to enter the park 30 minutes prior to opening. So that was a big deal for us. They also have shuttles to all 4 of the Disney parks and the water parks, which was another big perk for us and will be for you as well. The shuttles are running, I think, every 45 minutes or so, and they do stop at a couple of other parks. One time we were able to go straight to Magic Kingdom with no stops, and then another stop we had to stop, I think, at Hollywood Studios before we were able to get back from our park and go to the hotel. Another thing that typically you don't find in a lot of hotels, from our experience, the hotel restaurant was pretty good and reasonably priced. Now, if you're like us and you spent hours and hours at the park and you're finally getting back at night, the last thing you want to do is try to figure out what you're going to eat. So, the kitchen and bar restaurant inside the Drury Plaza Hotel was really good and reasonably priced to be a hotel restaurant. So, we ate there, I think, 2 nights of our stay there. Each night we got something different, and each night we were both pleased with what we had. There was a QR code aboard the shuttle where you could scan the QR code as you were traveling back to the hotel and you could order your food. So by the time you got back to the hotel, your food was ready to pick up and you were able to go to your room. Now, that was a huge, huge perk, especially if you're getting back from the parks and completely exhausted. Also, another perk, the evening kickback. So at the evening kickback, you get 3 adult beverages. If you are into adult beverages, you get 3 adult beverages. And then they also have a buffet of food. So one night we were there, they had baked potatoes and pulled pork. They also had like chicken soup and I think mashed potatoes or loaded potato bar. So you can easily go there and have your dinner. Whether like if you're breaking up between the park or just want to have dinner, you can easily get full at that kickback in the evenings. That's a huge perk for us. Also a big money saver if you because Disney of course is expensive. So if you want to save a few dollars, that's definitely the way to go is get your dinner at that kickback. The hotel also has an arcade on the first floor near the check-in desk. Now, we didn't have a lot of time to go and check out the arcade and play games because we were there for a short period, but hopefully on our next stay, we'll be able to go to the arcade and play some games and hang out longer.
So the final verdict: will we stay at the Drury Plaza Hotel in Orlando for our next Disney World vacation? We absolutely would. It was a very pleasant stay, and it checked all of our boxes for what we wanted in a hotel when we went to Disney. Now, I hope this video has been helpful for you, especially if you're planning a trip to Disney. If you have found this video helpful in any way, please hit that like button, give this video a like, and subscribe to Barnes on the Go for more travel content and travel tips. Thanks for watching.